Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Ms. Kaya, and today's lesson is about patterns. So, pattern is one of my favorite things to teach in kindergarten. I find students are quickly to pick up the concept, and the lessons and the activities are just so much fun. So today we'll start with a pattern. Can anyone tell me what a pattern is, or what you think a pattern is? Great, yes. So pattern is actually something that follows a rule with repeating. So if you guys could all in your seats, we're gonna do one pattern of movement. So we'll start off by a pattern of movement. So we're gonna do clap, and we're gonna stomp our feet, and we're gonna clap once and stomp our right foot. So we're gonna start with clap once, stomp right foot. What comes next? Clap, stomp your right foot. So let's just try to do this um, without me saying. So we're gonna clap, stomp. So as you see, I just started doing something that just repeats itself. So the next thing that I would like for you guys to do is either clap or pat your head. So we'll do that one more because you could actually see me doing the movement. So do clap, pat our heads, clap, pat our heads. So if I clap, pat my head, clap, pat my head, clap, what am I doing next? Great, yes, we're gonna pat our heads. So now I would like you guys to just see what I have in the background displayed on the board. So I have colors, shape, size, and just one for fun activity as a pattern. So I would like to start off with, as I mentioned, like there's different ways you could do patterns, and one of the patterns was actually movements. Another pattern is just like, let's, for example, you could see patterns on your shirt. Some of you guys might have like striped shirts where it's like white, red, or just stand up, sit down is another type of pattern of movement where we could, when I tell you guys to stand up, please sit down. That's another type of pattern movement. Um, so when introducing the concept of patterns to you boys and girls, I just want you to remember that it's just repetition. So like for example, here we're gonna see the color blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So I just really want you to see the repetition and just think like what's gonna come up next. So pretty much, um, I have here displayed. We'll start off by color in today's math lesson with blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And what do you believe is gonna be in this one right here? So yes, it's gonna be red. So I'm gonna draw a red circle here. So here I am drawing the red circle to color it in. This is gonna be my red circle. And then I just really want you to focus on the pattern given. So we're gonna have our little bears displayed on in your table. As you can see, you have them on your desk, and you're gonna do the same thing with your blue and red bears. So I want you to put your blue bear under the blue paper I handed out, then your red bear under the red paper, then blue, red, blue, red, and then I want you to guess what this one would be. So if you guessed blue, you are correct. It is blue, and then it'll be red. Um, Another form that we could see patterns is through shapes, not just color. So you could see patterns in shapes when you do. You might notice in your floors of your bathroom there's some sort of pattern, and then you may also see patterns within um, your floors in your room, your walls. You might have like a red and blue pattern, um, displayed on your walls are pink and purple, or maybe you have no pattern at all. And that's okay. So the next thing we're gonna focus on is shapes. So I want you to look here at the shapes. And can anyone tell me what shape this is? It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. If you guess it's a triangle, you are correct. It is a triangle. And now we have here a shape that is known as a heart. So we have a purple triangle and an orange heart. So with the shape, we start to notice that there's not only a pattern in different types of shapes, but there's also a pattern in color. The triangle is purple and the hearts are orange. So they're still the same. Patterns could be either different types of colors of shapes of hearts, that's okay, but right now we're just focused on the color. So color and shape. So right here we see that there's a purple triangle, orange heart, purple triangle, orange heart, purple. And then can you tell me what you think will be next? Yes, it'll be an orange heart. Let me just get the marker. Sorry about that. So here we have the orange heart. So we have purple triangle, orange heart, purple triangle, orange heart, purple triangle, orange heart. And what do you believe is going to be next? If you guess it's going to be a purple triangle, you are correct. It is. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3 sides, and that's a triangle. And that is what's next. So the next thing we're going to focus on is size. So there's different types of sizes that I'm going to be showing you. I have a big circle and a little circle. And I just want you to really understand the concept of pattern and just really focus on size now. So as you may notice, yes, they're all green, correct. They're all green, so we have a little green circle, big green circle, little green circle, big green circle, little green circle, big green circle. Then we have a little green circle here too. So after that, we're gonna put a big, let's pretend it's green. Lost my green marker, but that's supposed to be a green big circle. So here we have little green circle, big green circle, little green circle, big green circle, little green circle, big green circle, little green circle, big green circle. And now I just want you to really just understand patterns once again, and I'm gonna give you a little test at the end, just so you know that pretty much understand and know the concept of pattern. So now we have one for fun. So there's really this is just no color. It's more color and not really like shape or size we're focusing on. We're just focusing on what do you think is going to be next with the fun activity. So we have a sun, we have a cloud, sun, cloud, and what do you think is going to go here? Do you think it's going to be a cloud or a sun? Yes, it's a sun, correct. So it really doesn't matter that there's no color or anything order, it's just a sun. So that's a sun. And so now I'm gonna take you guys a little test just so I know that you understand the concept of patterns. So I'm going to erase one of them from the board, and you are going to tell me which one belongs there. So you know how we finished off with what we believe is going to be at the end? I'm not going to start off by the end now. I'm probably just going to pick randomly throughout the middle. So I'm going to erase one. So I have blue, so we're just gonna put a line. Let me just put a line here so you know that we're focusing on what is going to be there. So I have blue, red, blue, red. And what do you think is gonna go here? Do you believe a red one is gonna go here? Let's pretend, well, some of you said red. So let's see if you guys are right. So we have blue, red, blue, red, 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 blue, red. Does that seem right? I don't think so. So we're gonna erase this one. And let's try again. So we have blue, red, blue, red. Yes, blue, correct. So this is the one that we're gonna put just the blue. We're gonna draw a circle. We're just gonna color it in pretty much. Blue marker. So now let's see if our answer is correct. We have blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So now we have a pattern. Does it follow the rule of something that follows a rule while repeating? Yes, it does. So we do have blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So the pattern does repeat, so it does fit the definition. And then we're gonna look into the shapes. So I'm gonna erase one of the shapes. I'm gonna put a line under the first one. So let me just do this, erase it. So we have shapes. So we have a heart, a triangle, a heart, a triangle, a heart, a triangle. So if we're missing the beginning one, correct? Which shape do you think we're gonna start off with if the second one is a heart and then the one that follows is a triangle? Do you think a heart or a triangle will be the first one to start off? A heart, let's see. So let's say if we put a heart here, we have heart, heart, triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle. Do you believe that that is correct? We have two hearts here, and then we have a triangle. Do we have two hearts here? Now, if we had two hearts here, right? Let's say we put two hearts here to change the pattern. Would it make sense or not? It still wouldn't make sense because we have heart, heart, triangle, heart, heart, heart. Now we have 1, 2 hearts on this side, and we have 1, 2, 3 hearts. So this is not correct. So we could not change our pattern just to try to make it different. So this we cannot change. This is gonna stay into the triangle. So this means that this is wrong. So we are going to put a triangle in the beginning. Now, if we get a little bit confused of what a pattern is, depending where our pattern starts or where does it finish is where you could actually look back into it. So, because this one already has the last one as a triangle, we could work backwards. So we could do triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle to figure it out. Now, let's say we had this one missing. And let's put this one missing. Let's just make it a little bit challenging. I don't want to make it so confusing. Just want you really to know the concept of shape. So we have the first one we said it was going to be a triangle. Not either. So now we're missing this one. So we have triangle, heart, triangle. Yes, it's a heart. You guys are becoming experts already. So we have triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle. Now let's try the size one. So we have a little circle, a big circle, a little circle, a big circle, a little circle, big circle, little circle, big circle. Correct? So now you guys tell me which one do you want me to erase? The big circle or the little circle? Big circle. Okay. So this may be easy just to notice a different type of size probably. Let's see. So we have little circle, big circle, little circle. What do you think goes there? Big circle, correct. So we have a big circle. So we have little circle, big circle, little circle, big circle, little circle, big circle, little circle, big circle. So that is great. We will be doing more activities on Google Classroom. I'll share some slides with you, just so I know that you are really understanding the concept of shapes, not shapes and size and color patterns. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. I'm going to be focusing mostly just that you understand the concept of repetition. So this would go on by 2 with even letters. We could do like A. So let me just erase this right here. Show you a little side of pattern. So we'll have, let's say A, B, A. What comes next? B. So that's another type of form of patterns. You could do it with letters, anything